Peace, guys. It's me, AC123 World, but this I'm on my second channel, AJL Skater Dude, and today we this is the unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it of the 12-month of subscription for Xbox Live and 1,600 Microsoft points. Now, if you don't have Xbox Live, 1,600 Microsoft points, like this, right, this card, you go to GameStop, buy it. It allows you to like buy different things, like map packs on Call of Duty, World at War, those games, best games, right? And then the 12-month subscription. If your Xbox Live Gold account, if that runs out, if it expires, just go to GameStop, buy one of these, and then you it yeah, you can sign back up again, and it's really, yeah, pretty good. And I'm definitely gonna spend this on like updates and stuff. So subscribe.